in the heart of the concrete jungle. High above the bustling streets, a quiet revolution is taking place. Here, suspended between earth and sky, lives Epipremnum, aureum the Golden Pothos. As day surrenders to the neon glow of the city below, the Pothos does not rest. Driven by an ancient genetic blueprint, its leaves subtly adjust, tracking the remnants of light. It is a master of adaptation, thriving in an environment entirely manufactured by man. Watch closely. Over days and nights, the plant undergoes a slow-motion dance. Supported by its nutrient-filled bark pole, its aerial roots seek out moisture, locking onto the structure. With each passing sunrise, it reaches higher, a relentless climb toward the sun, in a world dominated by steel and glass. Nature always finds a way to conquer the sky.